Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw Peppa Pig and George Pig in their Easter-themed outfits. Let's begin by drawing the shape of bunny ears for Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig will be the bunny, and George will be the Easter egg. Next, the shape of Peppa Pig's face. Then her ears. Let's draw her nose, her eyes and lip, and cheek. Then, the shape of her body. Look, Peppa Pig have opened her eyes. Let's draw her a bunny dress. Peppa Pig all dressed up in a fluffy bunny costume, complete with floppy ears and a cotton tail. She's ready to hop into the Easter spirit with her friends and family. Peppa looks absolutely adorable as a bunny, and she's sure to spread smiles wherever she goes. Next, tail. Then, her arms and hands. Lastly, her legs and feet. Now, let's draw George Pig. I'm drawing the shape of George Pig's face. Next, his nose. Then his eyes, lip and cheek. Let's draw the shape of a large egg. George Pig have opened his eyes as well. Look! This large egg is wearing by George Pig. Let's decorate this large egg together. Let's add lines around the egg. George Pig is having a cracking time as an Easter egg. With colorful patterns and a shiny finish, he looks just like a giant egg ready to be discovered on an Easter egg hunt. Let's draw little circles on the egg, as well as zigzag lines. Peppa Pig appears to be having fun with the music. Next, his hands, his tail, his legs and feet. I'm delighted. Together, let's add color to Peppa Pig on George Pig. Color light pink. Peppa and George can't wait to join their friends for an exciting Easter egg hunt. They'll search high and low, peeking behind bushes and under trees, in hopes of finding delicious chocolate eggs and other sweet treats hidden around the garden. Color pink. Color fuchsia. the egg hunt begins, Peppa and George spend time decorating eggs with colorful paints and sparkly stickers. They let their creativity run wild, turning ordinary eggs into works of art fit for the Easter Bunny himself. Color blue. Peppa Pig and George Pig are happy to see you today. Color yellow. As they explore the garden in their bunny and egg costumes, Peppa and George embark on excellent adventures together. From hopping through fields of flowers to rolling down grassy hills, they make the most of this special day filled with fun and laughter. Color light blue. Do you think wearing an Easter-themed costume would be fun? Light orange. Easter is all about spending time with loved ones, and Peppa and George cherish every moment with their family. Whether they're enjoying a picnic in the sunshine or sharing stories around the dinner table, they know that the best part of Easter is being together. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.